Y'all, I be doing some dumb ass shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and hello to my new subscribers. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I am currently in the bathroom right now, hence why it sounds so loud. I came to a restaurant with my uncle. We just came to get a bite to eat and a drink, and then after that I'm gonna go to Walmart so I can go get some things. And then I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour, but that's gonna be a separate video, so stay tuned for that video. I think that video is gonna be posted way before this vlog, so yeah. I'll see you guys in a few. I just wanted to check in with you guys and say hey. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Kisses. I would have never expected that. Thank you.
And I just found that out. You see what kind of person she is, right?
What's that?
It's not food. I think it's some drinks.
Actually, I'm vlogging, sir. This is my uncle, y'all. Y'all gonna meet my uncle. This is my Uncle Matthew. Cheers.
She really found out parts of the drinks that I didn't even know about. The cherry, for instance.
The what?
First of all, this cherry is bomb as hell.
And she started saying, man, Uncle Matthew ate the cherry. I said, wow.
Nah, this cherry was so good.
I was so much cherry.
Hey y'all, so I'm in Walmart right now. I got a couple of things. Can y'all believe I forgot my whole wallet in the house? Good thing my cousin was coming because I called her, and good thing I'm like about 5 minutes away. I called her to come bring my wallet for me. I don't understand. That's how I know I'm not in the right state of mind. I came all the way to Walmart with no wallet, no nothing. What was I buying? Y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know I'm here. I got some things, and I'm almost done, and I'm about to head home after this. I really can't fucking believe myself. Like, if it wasn't for my cousin, I would have had to drive home. So I'm happy about that. So I'll be back. Y'all, I be doing some dumb ass shit. Did this thing make a laugh? I don't even know what the fuck it told me to do. I guess. So you guys, I'm about to make some dinner for us. I'm gonna do a stuffed salmon, and I'm gonna try this ravioli stuff. My uncle had this, and I'm gonna try it. I don't really care for frozen foods, but we're gonna try this, like I said. Look at this.
You say that I killed the bird, she bonked out. You made me pick it up.
That shit look crazy.
I hate you for that.
You do it. Why you scared? How you scared to begin with?
I know, I never thought about kill the bird. That's why. You know, I just be shooting at the bird.
Oh, you ain't never. Oh.
I ain't never killed a bird. I ain't never killed one. Listen, right
I thought you did.
Now.
Shoot. Oh no.
I killed that one. I killed that one too. Bird died. Listen, pick the bird up. I'm trying to make it understand that. I don't pick up too many already. Listen, I ain't pick that bird up. I'm gonna come back to you.
Nope. Sure wasn't.
So what you gonna do to spinach?
Mix it with the cream cheese so I can stuff the salmon.
Oh, how you gonna stuff that?
You take your nose fine?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta throw these out and cook them first, and then I'm gonna mix everything together actually, and then stuff it.
Only because I'm like, salmon was like really thin, so how do you cut it thin stuff?
It's thick enough to stuff it. I made them.
Oh, okay.
I made little pockets.
Okay.
Let me show them. I made little pockets. The little pockets. It's cute. Cute. Everything is fucking cute. All right. So you guys, I made the ravioli. They told me to boil it first, in which I did, and then I put it in like a saucepan with some butter. And then I made like a little sauce to go with it. Like I said, I've never had this before, so y'all, I'm scared as shit. But the sauce is pretty good. It's so good. So we'll see how this turns out. And I think this has mushrooms and I don't know what else it has inside of it, but we'll see. I got my mini me taking off the skin of the shrimp for me because y'all, I ain't got the time for this. Y'all, so I made the mixture and I stuffed these babies. Now I'm about to pan sear it. This looks so good already, y'all. Fire. So you guys, the salmon is done. Oh my god, it is fire. Well, the tails are missing. I'm so mad because I didn't know my uncle could not eat jalapenos. This is a jalapeno cream cheese that I used to stuff this, and he couldn't eat it. I am so fucking sad right now because this came out so fire and beautiful.
Oh, where you been?
Y'all, but can we get into this skin though? Look at this salmon. This is about to be so fire. Y'all don't even know. You guys, let me show you guys my my uncle's man cave and his workshop. Look how dope this is. My uncle is like beyond creative. It's freaking insane. This is his home away from home. And he's building a sink. This is amazing. It's crazy how we're both the Bob the Builders in the family.
Yeah, right?
Out of all the people in the family, we're into construction.
Yeah. One more now.
Yeah. Who? Maya. Oh my God. Yeah, she's a beast. Y'all, my cousin is a beast when it comes to this. So it's three of us.
How much she weigh? About 100 pounds?
Oh my goodness.
She's a 100-pound beast.
Insane. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. Today is more of a chill day. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm about to head to Walmart so I could go get some more food. My friend is going to stop by, come parlay with me for a little bit because I just booked a ticket back to New York for tomorrow because I have so much to get done back in New York. So I'm gonna go and do that. But so far I have been loving Atlanta. Like, it is life and I cannot wait to come back and get settled, you know? But other than that, yeah, I just felt like being cute today. You know, it's my last day here. I have to make a couple of runs, so shit, why not look cute? And y'all, I cannot stop looking at my hair. And though I love how big it's getting, because the older it gets, the better it looks to me, it's time to put it up. It's time to put it back in a protective style because, you know, so many people love the natural hair, but y'all don't even know, like, the pros and the cons, the cons that come with this. Like, unless you're a natural girl, you know what I'm talking about, y'all. But yeah, I'm ready to put this hair up and these nails, y'all. I had these nails on for 2 months, okay? And this one is still holding on for dear life. I'm trying to get this one off. I normally don't like to rip my nails off. I like to soak them off, but you know, most of my stuff, like, well, not most, all my products are still in boxes. So there's no way I can give myself a fresh new set. So I have to wait, which sucks. I think I'm just gonna buy me some press-ons. So I can't remember the last time I had press-ons, but I'm gonna start making me some press-ons also too. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I should buy some press-ons when I go to Walmart now, because I don't like this plain look. I mean, I don't mind my natural nail, but this is ghetto and tacky. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys are having a blessed day. And yeah, y'all, I look spaced out because I'm looking at my uncle. He's out here shooting birds. He has this BB gun and he's literally shooting the pigeons. Like, Lord, take the wheel. Look at my back. Ah!
$8 meal right here. That's before taxes.
Yeah, you fucked that up though.
That's before taxes.
They fucked that up.
You can't even see.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day and it's a little bit late in the day. I had such a long day today. I'm like super tired. I had to reschedule my flights because they canceled my flight to New York. So I'm actually gonna be here for about 2 more days. I'm kind of annoyed because it's pushed me back. I have so many appointments back in New York. So yeah, and I'm just ready to feel like a woman again. I'm like a little bit bloated. I have a headache. I just feel like total poopy right now. So yeah, I'll be back, or I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Kisses to you guys. Oh, I feel like crap.
She took a picture of this lady night.
It was recording. I was hoping to record your self-driving.
My speed limit? Yeah. I can just have a look at my brother's red light for you.
No. Oh, shit. Look at this thing.
Damn, I could have ran that red light for you.
Don't worry, I won't put y'all on camera because y'all don't want to be seen. I'm taking some shots. Look at my babies. So I came to see them. Facts. They have such a beautiful crib, you guys. So pretty.
A-Town.
Mm-hmm.
NY taking over the A.
All day.
That's right.